Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to sort by size in Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, let's go on Google Drive. Okay, now go over here on storage on the left side, click on it. And now, from here you can see which file is larger and which file is smaller. It is already sorted by size. Google doesn't offer any direct feature, so you can use this method to delete files you don't want. Now note this that this method will only work for individual files, not for folders. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.